I'm going away for the weekend tomorrow and I really need to pack. So it's just 2 nights away, so I'm not taking an awful lot of stuff, and I've got my backpack, but I just haven't found the motivation to start packing it yet. So I still haven't got very far with my packing. All I've got so far is a t-shirt, a pair of leggings, some socks and some underwear, and this is the only toiletries I've packed so far. So not really going too well. As a side note though, I'm very excited because Tim's actually cooking dinner for us tonight, and I say I would probably cook like 99 times out of 100, which, don't get me wrong, is totally fine, but he's actually cooking a chicken curry tonight. It's one of those Simply Cook kits, I'll show you later, but I'm very excited to have an evening off cooking. I'm probably gonna have a little sort out of all of my books and stuff that are in that unit there, just to carry on with my declutter, and of course I need to motivate myself to finish packing for the weekend away. I thought I would just update you with what Tim is making for dinner tonight. So it is this Simply Cook chicken macaroni. I think we've done a couple of these Simply Cook things and they actually have turned out really well, but we haven't tried this one before. It seems, I guess, straightforward enough. You get like all of the spice blends, paste, some fenugreek leaves and everything. So yeah, I am excited to see how he gets on cooking this, and I'll probably just show you it once it's cooked. So Tim has finished cooking now. He's just floating around in the background, and the food looks and smells absolutely delicious. I think I forgot to say, like, we're not having rice with the curry. We've actually got some Peshwari naans, and I'll show you, yeah, my food now. So this is the curry. It looks so good. That sauce looks so thick. And then Tim also made like some extra chicken tikka with like some onion and stuff, so that looks really good. And then just a Peshwari naan that is just from Tesco's. It's actually a bit later on now, and I've decided to put my pajamas on. Dinner was so good. I would highly recommend that Simply Cook kit. I think we've had maybe like 3 of them now, or 2 or 3, and they've all been really excellent. And what I kind of like about them is that you get some more like odd ingredients that you wouldn't necessarily buy, or you'd have to buy like a big jar of some certain paste and then probably never use it up again. But Tim did a really good job cooking it, and it was really nice to have a little evening off cooking. I feel like this has been like my go-to angle for this video so far, but anyway, it's Friday lunchtime. I've just had my lunch. I had some leftover chilli with jacket potato, which was delicious. It's actually really sunny outside. I mean, it's probably freezing, but I'm just gonna go for a little walk for the rest of my lunch. And I don't know if I've actually said where we're going for our weekend away in this vlog, but anyway, we're going to Reading after work this evening. We're getting the train there, and we're just staying at another Premier Inn, so I'll probably show you like a bit of the journey and everything when we get there. I actually can't believe how warm it is in the sun. It's such a glorious day out here. Well, I'm back from my walk, and yeah, in the sun it's really nice. So despite the fact that we are going to Reading straight from work today, I still haven't finished packing. I mean, I have packed like everything I can pack for now. There's just last minute things to pack, like phone chargers. I'm going to re-straighten my hair, and then obviously I'll pack them once they've cooled down. So I've managed to fit all of my makeup and my toiletries into this bag, which has actually come in such good handy because I took this away the other weekend as well. And I've just got like my clothes I need and everything like that. Obviously I'll wear a coat because it's going to be freezing, and I'll probably take like my scarf as well. I've got a little bag of snacks for the train, so we've just got like some sweets in there. We've got some of those porridge pots from Tesco's for our breakfasts for Saturday and Sunday, because I'm having lunch out with a friend Sunday, and then Saturday lunch we're going to Tim's nan's and she's cooking us a lunch there, so I don't really need like a big breakfast or anything. But yeah, just time to finish work for the rest of the day and then off to Reading. And we're now off to get the bus to the train station via Spoons. Just left Wetherspoons, it's dark now, and we're just heading off to the train station now to get the train to Reading. But I think first of all we're going to go to Asda just to get a few more supplies for the train. So we have made it to the Premier Inn in Reading. Well, I say made it, we've been here for a little while now, and we've just been out to get some McDonald's. I think the time is like maybe about 9 o'clock. I think our train got in just after 8, so looking forward to McDonald's. So it is now Saturday morning in Reading, and we actually woke up to some really amazing news that you will actually know before this vlog comes out, so you'll appreciate how exciting and amazing it actually is. We're just like pretty much ready to go out. I think we're gonna have a little pot around the shops before we are actually going around to Tim's nan's house for lunch and just seeing some other members of his family. It's very grey outside, and I'm assuming it's probably freezing, although I haven't actually been outside yet. So this is my outfit of the day. I've just got this black top on with this llama. This came from ASOS. I've got this little necklace here from Artemis Accessories, black leggings, and I've got my fruity socks on, but I'm going to be wearing my Air Force Ones. And then makeup wise, I have got this eyeshadow look that I did using the Colourpop Animal Crossing palette, and I've got this Revlon lipstick on that I actually really love. So we just had a little walk. I say a little walk, I think it's been like 20 something minutes, and we're almost at Tim's nan's. It's still looking very grey, but really excited to see everyone. I think we're having like chicken curry for lunch, which is going to be really nice. I probably won't really like vlog anything whilst we're there because we'll just all be catching up and everything, so I'll see you later. So we're actually back at the hotel now. So I think I said earlier that we're going to Tim's nan's and seeing some other members of his family, so I wasn't really going to vlog obviously the whole time there, but you probably would have seen a little clip of what we had for lunch. We had a really delicious chicken curry with loads of really nice sides, and then we actually had some fruit and like a rum syrup for dessert, which was also really excellent. So we just obviously walked back to the hotel now. We actually went via Primark and I picked up like 2 things, just like some new underwear and some new bras, so I'm not going to show you that, but that's what I bought. I've got a little bit more shopping to do tomorrow, and I'm also meeting up with one of my other friends tomorrow for coffee and lunch, and there's just a bit more shopping again I want to do tomorrow, just like a few odd bits. So plans for the rest of this evening, we're just going to chill and have a coffee for a bit. We might go out for a drink later. I think I mentioned earlier in the vlog we had some like amazing news that you will actually know by now, so yeah, we'll just see how we feel. So it is now the next day, and pretty much like yesterday, it is very grey outside. So the plan for today is we are heading out in a bit when Wilko's opens, because I need to get a few bits from there, and then meeting one of my friends for coffee, and then we're going to have lunch together, which I'm really looking forward to. And then I think our train home is like just after 3, and I think we're going to get home maybe like 5:30ish, I'm not sure. I don't really know what the plans are for then, but just been I suppose kind of chilled, but also like kind of busy. Like we did quite a lot of booking last night, got loads of stuff sorted that we needed to get sorted, and there's a few more jobs we need to do when we get home this evening. So this is today's outfit. I've just got this koala top on, obviously leggings, and I've got these yellow socks, got my same little necklace as yesterday as well. And then this is my makeup today. So again, I used the little Colourpop Animal Crossing palette. I think it's like the Water Hoop palette. I've opted to do some eyeliner today just for something a bit different, and I've got this Revlon lipstick on again. Just off to Wilko's. It is still very, very grey outside. So I feel like my last clip in Reading wasn't really anything. So I met up with my friend Abby and we had a coffee at Cafe Nero, and then we went off to Wetherspoons for lunch. So I had a chicken wrap and Abby and Tim both had halloumi wrap, and then Tim and I just got the train home. I think we got home about 6 o'clock last night, and I really do apologise that I didn't vlog an awful lot in Reading over the weekend, but we were just so busy seeing people and just getting loads of stuff sorted. The Saturday morning our visas came through for Australia, so I think the Saturday evening we did quite a lot of booking. We booked a hostel for when we get there, we booked a couple of other hotels, we just basically spent the evening booking, and then yeah, that was really the plan of the weekend anyway, to just see some family and friends before we go. So very exciting. Still have quite a bit of stuff to do. I think we're going to do some more errands tonight. We need to do a couple of bits and just work out some stuff. But plan for today, I'm gonna have my lunch in a minute. It's lunch break now, but I'm gonna just have a sandwich, and then I need to go to Tesco's just to get a few bits just for the week. So I'm back from Tesco's now, and I just picked up everything that we needed. I've just been making Tim's overnight oats for the rest of the week, so I've actually done them for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday just to be super organised, and I've actually gone a bit all out and done a different flavour for every day, so I'll just show you those now. So they're not the most glamorous looking of things. I need to just clean up all this mess, but the first one here has just got some dried fruit and obviously oats, milk and yogurt. This one here is chocolate, so it's got chocolate chips in and cocoa powder. This one here is cinnamon, and this one here is honey. So yeah, looking a bit ugly, but I promise you that they actually taste amazing. So it's the next day, and yes, I'm aware I've got the same jumper on as yesterday, but it's lunchtime and I've just been having a sort out of all of the books that I've got, and really just trying to whittle it down to a few that I can take to Australia with me. So this section here are the books that I want to take, and it includes the books I haven't yet read and these couple of Stephen King's here which I have read. This is like 3 layers deep of books, and then this is like 2 layers deep in the box, and then all of these as well. So of course I'm going to see if anybody wants them, and then if not, I'm just going to donate them to charity shops. So it's now Wednesday and I have finished work for the afternoon. I've had my lunch, which was just some leftover mac and cheese from last night, and I'm going to be filming another video now. So I'm doing like a get ready with me where I'm explaining basically everything about Australia and our move and what we're going to be doing and all of that. So if you haven't checked out that video, I would definitely recommend watching it, because well, obviously I've not filmed it yet, but I'm sure it will be interesting. But I hope that you enjoyed this week's vlog. I know it's been a little bit all over the place, but I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.